going to put together a cute little mani for our new Great Outdoors plate. Camping images, there's a really cool off-road vehicle and some animals. Lots of fun things to play with, so let's get started. I'm going to do a camo image first, and I'm going to lay down this image initially, and I'm going to use number 74, and that is Rusted Mud. So nice light scrape, even lighter on the pickup, and just to lay it down, I'm going to keep in mind kind of where I've placed that in relation to this image so that I can roughly get it in place over top. Just use a lint roller to clean my stamper and our plate cleaner to clean my plate. So for the second layer, I'm going to use, you had me at chocolate. We also have pure cocoa, which is a nice brown as well. You could really use this camo anywhere with any colors. Any combination would be fun. All right, layer number 2. And I am putting all of this over top of, it's Lexi's Painted Polish, and it is called Limeade Lovin' 2.0. Really pretty kind of khaki green. Great backdrop for a camping mani. Okay, next one I want to do, we're actually going to use our plaid plate. And we will do the same colors we did with the camo here, just to keep a kind of congruent look going on. All right, so we will use, I'm going to start with Rusted Mud, and it's going to be our larger of the two images. And I'm going to show you a little trick for lifting lines, because lines can be a little tricky to get straight. So once you scrape, don't go with the lines, go against them. If you go against them, you're going to have a much better chance of picking things up nice and straight. So we'll lay this guy down here. And that'll be our first of the two images we're going to do. And now I'm going to do a nice fine one, because I'm going to keep it kind of light still, just in case we decide we want to put something over top of it. So we'll use this finest image over here with our You Had Me at Chocolate. And this one I'm going to do lengthwise, so I'll probably be lucky to get 2 of them on there, but we'll pull down 3 just in case. And then we're going to go sideways. I'm actually going to take that one off because it's too close, just in case some of it gets on there. And straight down so we don't mess up those lines. There, so just a nice kind of light version of our plaid, you know, lumberjack jacket without being black and red. All right, so beside that, let's go back to our camping plate here, and we're gonna put right here this gorgeous buck, I guess you would call it, deer with a giant rack on his head. So I'm actually going to use stone here, number 15. That's going to be our first image. I'm applying down and scraping up. A nice light roll over top, pick up that image. And now I'm going to use the back of my nail to clean up the excess, the stuff that I don't want on there. You can also use the side of your, actually let's do this guy right here, the side of your scraper as well for that. Okay, so right down in the middle. Perfect. And then I think we'll use, You Have Me at Chocolate. Nah, let's go a little darker. Let's go to the pure cocoa, so number 23. And that's going to be the rest of our image here. We're going to apply downwards again and scrape up just to make sure we don't get any voids. It's nothing worse than an image that's barely there because most of it was voided. So that helps to get rid of that. And then flick right over top. Get rid of those extras. Now, take a moment, make sure you've actually cleaned it up. If that one ends up on there, we can always clean it up. So, take your time, get it into position. You can see where it's supposed to go just by holding it over top. And then just pressing down. And there we have our multi-layered buck. Really cute. All right. So, we also have a bunch of really cool little sayings on here. I want to do this adventure one for you. So I think this one, I just redid one of these, so I have to be careful here. That one's the one that's ready to go. This guy's still a little bit wet. All right, so keeping that in mind, I'm gonna start with this little guy over here. Let's do brown and black. 31, which is You Had Me at Chocolate. So a little bit lighter of the two. Cover this guy. Scrape, nice light lift. Get all those details. And I'm gonna pop this guy down right in the middle. Press. And now we use the black and get that adventure in there as well. So I applied downwards, I'm gonna scrape up. Nice and light over top. Make sure you get all the details. All right, adventure begins right here. So take your time, get it in where you want it. Press. There we go, a little multicolored image on our little camping nail. Okay. Okay, I want to turn this more into an authentic camping mani. So let's actually, I'm going to switch out a couple of the images here. We're actually going to duplicate this guy. And we're going to put two of those guys together. And then we're going to use our cute little camper because I'm a princess, so I don't tent anymore. Okay, that's not entirely true. I love tenting, but I much prefer glamping to camping nowadays. So, all right, let's duplicate this guy. So that was our different plate. Helps if we have the right plate in front of us. But that was our rusted mud. This really does look like rusted mud. Remember to lift across them. Pop that down. Just clean it off on a lint roller. And now we'll use this super light one. Make sure I can get it cleaned here. I didn't clean it last time, so use our plate cleaner is awesome, or if you use polish remover, make sure you've got some acetone in there for cleaning your plates. I don't like to use pure acetone because I find it leaves everything really streaky, which just is frustrating when you're trying to work, I find. So now that we've got all those teeny tiny little lines all cleaned out, we'll come along here with our You Had Me at Chocolate. Scrape. Across. Oh, that one's a little bit wavy, but we're probably not going to use it anyway. Straight down. Perfect. All right, so now we've got two kind of matching ones that we can go ahead and put this little Winnebago over. Okay, let's try this Stone Cold again here. I'm going to make sure it's well mixed. We're going to apply downward, flood it all in there. We're going to do a nice light scrape, push down, and then gently roll over top. Perfect. So I am going to put half of it over here and the rest of it over here. We'll see how that looks when we're done. I think it's going to be cute. There's the front and the back. And now I think, well, let's see. Maybe we can do it all at once, but these are separated. The wheels are separated in the little door, so you could do it in two, but let's see if we can be cheeky and do it in one. It's great. Pick it up, get rid of all the stuff we don't want. All right, get that little wheel in place. Don't press too hard because we don't want the door on there. And then the door and the wheel pop in back there. That's really cute. So there's lots of images on this plate for creating these outdoor manis. So make sure you tag us in them, please. We love to see what you're creating with our plates. And thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.